These are the chickens. They're covered in soft feathers that are a tan colour. On their heads, they have a red crown. This is their house, it's where they live. And it's called an omeletta. This is their water, and that is their food. If we go around here, this is their roosting box where they lay their eggs. I'll have a look to see if there's any eggs in the box. No! They must have laid them under a bush. They walk around the garden all day, eating the grass, and they do sometimes crawl under the bushes and lay their eggs. They're called the ladies because they're all girls, they're all hens. I'll try and get a close-up of one. Hello, lady. Hello. I hope you like the chickens. Bye-bye.